Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Python packages in an HPC environment as part of the course using Python in an HPC environment. So you want to use Python packages. They are important because they are pieces of tested Python code. And you want to use other people's Python code because it's tested and debugged. So prefer using a Python package over writing your own code. That's a general rule. In an HPC environment, software modules are also important. Software modules allow you to use software of your own version. And different users can have their different favorite versions at the same time on the same HPC cluster. Having explicit versions also helps reproducible research. So for LUMI, we're going to do the same exercises as all. We're gonna log into our HPC cluster, which is LUMI. Then we're going to load the Python module on LUMI. This Python module, it's here. Then we're going to look for a Python package that's not present yet. So we're going to look for matplotlib. It's absent at the start. We need to confirm that it's absent. Then we're going to find a software module to load the package if it's there. For LUMI, we cannot. There is no software module for this, so we're going to use a Docker container instead. You'll see me do this in a second. So we're going to activate this container. It's already there, and in that container, this package is present. So it's a bit of a different way to the other centers. They have a module system. For LUMI, we need to download our own container, and this is what we're going to do here. So now I'm going to put this to the left of the screen, and at the right I'm going to put LUMI. So I just logged into LUMI. It's a bit messed up because my font is big. For a video, that's great. It just makes it look less pretty at the moment. So on LUMI, we're going to load the Python module of the version below. So that's this version. At this course, we are at day 2 now, and at day 1 we already load Python of this version. Instead of going back to day 1 of this course, I just took a look at the answers here. So on LUMI, this is what you need to do. So copy paste it here. Now I have the Cray Python package installed, and then we need to check if the Python package is absent. So for LUMI, we're looking for the Python package called, oh, it's here, matplotlib. We do so using piplist. This is the common way to do it. There are multiple ways, but matplotlib should not be here, and indeed it's not here. So the goal of this exercise now is to get matplotlib running. It's a plotting library. You probably want to use it if you want to use Python to make plots. So I'm going to find how to load this package. So I'm going to Google the documentation for matplotlib. So I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to search for matplotlib, LUMI, something like this. Let's see, where do we have the LUMI documentation? Python packages, LUMI supercomputer. This looks good. Installing Python packages. Let's see, general installation method, use a container. So we're gonna look for matplotlib. Well, maybe we should just look at matplotlib. Let's take a look. Installing. Please don't install them directly. Which installation method should the best way to get access to a Python stage on LUMI depends on the use case. Generality, they use Singularity. Means either use an existing container or build a container tailored to your needs. Sure. Let's see if we can find matplotlib at all. Nope. Let's put this in a new tab. And so here is a link to Docker Hub. Sure, this is a Docker Hub thing. So this is where we can pull containers from. I'm going to look for matplotlib. This is one of them, the Misto matplotlib. I know there are multiple ones, but this is the thing that we need to use according to the documentation. You may pull and use that container. So I need to do singularity pool docker and then the name of the thing. Alright. And this is the name of the thing. Well, let's construct this a bit in bit. So I'm gonna copy paste this thing. To LUMI. I'm gonna replace the last thing there. Then I'm gonna use the right container, which is this, this is how you do it. And this should then pull the Docker container and make a singularity container out of it. This is how I would get matplotlib. Alright, so this is a bit mix of what I already know and the documentation. I don't like, in this case I need to conclude this much, but I'm going to close this documentation. And I'm going to take a look at something else. This is the solution. Use a Thanart matplotlib library. So I'm going to use that one instead there. And how we're going to do this module pool, singularity pool docker, that thing. Let's take a look if I have that. Singularity, let's go back. Singularity pool docker Thanart matplotlib. Let's do this. Oh, I already have it present. I will delete it again just to make sure that we do it from scratch. So what is happening now is on LUMI, it's now pulling a Docker container and converting it to a singularity container. So this is great. Load the software module. That's not possible for us. Like we have a singularity container for the LS. This is the thing I have. But we can use it as if we can use that container. And instead of pip list, we do call the container and do pip list. And here we see all the Python packages available in this container. And what were we looking for again? We were looking for matplotlib. And do we have matplotlib? Yeah, there we have matplotlib installed. So this means I can now run Python from this container and I can use matplotlib there. Well, alright, that goes beyond this video. So we have now done it. We can now use matplotlib on LUMI, and that concludes that I've just shown you how to use Python packages in the LUMI HPC environment. And with that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!